Hey everybody, in this topic we are going to create random event generator using random numbers and switch. This might be useful maybe if you're writing a game. You need some random event to occur, right? Like random monster show up or weather changes, anything like that. We will be working with random numbers. You may need to include this header file, include ctime, because we need access to the time, right? To work with random numbers, we need to generate a seed. Let's write srand function, then pass a time, passing time, okay? Passing time, then passing 0. This function will use the current time as a seed to generate random number. We will create a local variable to store our random number. Let's type int, then random, that would be local variable, then use the rand function, then type modulus right here after this. Then what the range of numbers you would like to have. I would like the numbers 1 through 5, but this will give us 0 through 4, so I'm going to add 1. Just type here 5 plus 1, then semicolon. My integer random number will be a random number between 1 and 5. Okay, I'm going to create switch to examine this random number against many matching cases. Then just type switch, then random number, random, okay, then curly braces. So create cases 1 through 5, like case 1 similar to 5. This is our case 1, right? Just copy this one. Case 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 cases, right? 2. If the random number is 1, what would you like to do exactly? So in this program, I think we are going to give away prizes. Like it's a random prize generator. Depending on the random number, we will give a participant a random prize. Let's just go ahead, create the first case, write standard colon cout, right? In first case, prize will be you win a bumper computer, right? Semicolon, then add a break. Then just let's go ahead and copy this one, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5. And all cases need break, right? Break, 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 break. Okay. Let's go ahead and in second prize, you own bumper less laptop. Third prize, let's see, write something keyboard. In fourth prize, let's write mouse. And in last prize, let's write pen drive. So when I run this program, we will generate a random number between 1 and 5. Depending on what that number is, we will execute the code found within one of these cases. Let's hit run. Once we hit run, then first we got you own the bumper computer. Let's say in second turn, you own a bumper laptop. Third, you own bumper laptop again. Then fourth, now you have win a mouse. Then sixth times what we get, computer again, mouse again, laptop again, computer again. Now you own the pen drive, the last one, right? You own the keyboard. The spelling is incorrect. Make sure to, while you're running your code or typing your code, make sure that you're typing everything correctly because it's a case sensitive language, right? Now, if you don't add these break statements, you will just fall through the switch. Let's just go ahead, comment all the break and see what the result is, okay? Just go ahead and comment this break. In order to comment this, press Control and slash. Let's see, just run the code, what happened. Then you will just fall through the switch statement. You will get all of the computer, laptop, all of the statement will just print out, okay? So if you only want somebody to win one prize and you want to exit out of the switch by including this break statement. Okay. So yeah, everybody, I thought that maybe an interesting program. You can generate random events. Maybe it's for a game or something. I thought maybe random kind of gift giveaway would be the interesting. This program is more or less for practice. Your assignment is to just generate the random event or make a program and do the comment right below. Okay. And yeah, this is the random event generator. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.